How to share any Excel document with Wi-Fi direct as PDF. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share any Excel document as PDF through Wi-Fi direct. So all what you have to do, go to Excel, choose the document you want. I'm going to choose this one. Now go to the top here and click on this little icon and choose the second option, which is share as attachment, and choose the second option, PDF, and wait a few seconds, and here you go. Now click on Wi-Fi direct and everything will be done. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.